Well, hello, Spyder Wayne here, and it is Wednesday, May 7th, and looky what I got here. I bought this a week ago. This is a U-Haul trailer hitch, and I wasn't planning on doing a video on this, but after what this thing came with, I had to share this. Okay, to get the usual out of the way, I do not have any sponsors whatsoever. I have no affiliations whatsoever. So this hitch and everything else I talk about in this video that I purchased, and might show the links below, I purchased with my own money. A little background here. I've been retired since January of 2024. Now that I'm retired, it's like, well, I have all this time. I would love the option to travel 12 months a year. And the way to do that was I needed a vehicle that I could tow my Spyder and take off anytime during the year. In the middle of winter, head south. So the first thing I had to do was get a vehicle that could tow. And last August of 2024, I bought this. It's a 2024 Hyundai Palisade. And I bought this for its towing capability of 5,000 pounds. But this now gives me some more options. I mean, this is all about my options. So I bought this in August, and at the time I picked it up from the dealer, I did let them know that I would be interested in getting a hitch once I decided what kind of a trailer I wanted. And by the way, I have ordered a trailer. It's not here yet. The trailer I ordered through Slingmods. It is the Stinger trailer. I got the combo option so that I could tow one of my two-wheelers if I choose to. Again, I wanted the option. I don't know how often I'll do that, if ever, but I'd rather have the option of being able to tow my two-wheelers in addition to my Spyder than not having the option and wishing I did. So that hasn't arrived yet. That'll be a future video when that Stinger trailer arrives. I ordered it a couple of weeks ago. So the day I ordered that trailer, I jumped in my Palisade. I headed down to the U-Haul dealer just a few miles away, and I wanted to get some questions answered and see what they had to offer. And before I left, I made the appointment to buy this hitch. Price is not the main reason, although the price alone is a good enough reason to get this hitch. So to get pricing out of the way, the total price at that U-Haul dealer, that's installed everything I needed, the hitch, the wiring harness, the hitch ball, the ball hitch mount, everything I needed out the door with tax was $554.92. Unbelievable price compared to what I was looking at if I bought the hitch from Hyundai. So at the time I bought this Palisade last August, I did express an interest that, hey, I don't know what kind of a trailer I want, but I'll be buying a trailer. I'll need a hitch. Can you give me an estimate? And they said it'd be about $1,100. Hyundai, if I bought just the hitch from Hyundai, for this vehicle, it's $545. $545 plus tax brings it close to $590. And that's just for the hitch that I would go pick up, bring home, install myself, and I still have to buy the wiring harness, install it myself. That $590 was more than the grand total price at U-Haul. Okay, so now the reason why I bought this hitch, the creme de la creme, the pièce de résistance. The reason is quite simply the warranty. I'm going to start with the wiring harness warranty, and I'll finish with the hitch warranty because they're two separate warranties. The wiring harness warranty, it's called a 2-year wiring service plan. The wiring service plan guarantees repair or replacement, including parts and labor, of the covered wiring for reasons including collision, corrosion, accidental, handling, or damage, even if your dog chews it off. What that means is if you're storing a vehicle with the hitch and the wiring harness in a garage or in a barn or somewhere where little critters can get in there and chew wiring, they'll replace it. Now for the biggie, the hitch warranty. U-Haul offers, and you have to buy this warranty. By the way, you also have to buy the wiring service plan. The wiring service plan warranty costs a whopping $10. The U-Haul warranty for the hitch costs a whopping $5. I'm going to read what that warranty covers. For the hitch, it is a lifetime unlimited hitch warranty. It is accepted at over 1,000 locations in the US and Canada. This nationwide unlimited hitch warranty is total high protection, which guarantees replacement, including labor, of the hitch for any reason, with no limitation for any damage, including collision, corrosion, accidental, overload, jackknife, theft of vehicle, and it's for the lifetime of the owner of the vehicle that purchased this. So I can't transfer that warranty to if I sell the vehicle. So I never have to worry about replacing this hitch on here if something ever happens to it, even if it's my fault. There is a catch for both these warranties. You have to have U-Haul install the hitch to be able to purchase that $5 unlimited warranty. You have to have U-Haul install the wiring harness in order to purchase the 2-year service plan warranty for the wiring. So now when my trailer arrives, and like I said, I'll do a video on that trailer when it comes, I now have options. I can travel and ride 12 months out of the year. I can head south in the middle of winter in comfort, tow my Spyder, and be a happy camper down south. But I want more options. What other options did I think about? Well, I thought, well, hey, what about if I want to tow my Mini-Mate camper with the car? Well, for $30, I bought another hitch mounting ball. Now, why did I buy this one? Well, the one that came with the U-Haul hitch is a 2-inch ball, and that's what my new trailer is going to have. My Mini-Mate has a 1 7/8 inch ball, but this costs $30. I got this on Amazon. You can get these on Amazon, Tractor Supply, Harbor Freight, U-Haul, anywhere where they sell hitch supplies. So the dilemma I guess I faced is, if I'm towing my Spyder, that means I can't tow my Mini-Mate. So what are my options? Well, I still enjoy tent camping every now and then, so I can bring a tent. I enjoy cabin camping at campgrounds. I've done that several times. It's wonderful. But wait a second. What about car camping? Well, right after I bought this, I set myself up for car camping as well. So how do I camp in here? It is a foldable 4-inch foam pad mattress. I have over 7 feet from the back of that seat to the tailgate here. This mattress is 6 feet long. I got a ton of room in here. I have room for my foldable e-bike and all my gear. So I hope you found this interesting. I sure was delighted to see the warranties that came with the U-Haul hitch. And if you're considering getting a hitch, you really need to check out U-Haul. So if you stuck around until now, thank you so much. And until next time, please take care.